Hello again. I'm sorry that I took a week off again. Not what I planned on doing, but as I've said before, my best laid intentions don't always work out the way I wanted them to, so I apologize. My bad, my bad. But this week, hopefully, I will be able to make more videos. Don't hold me to it, because clearly I can't keep a promise with this channel. However, I do have more free time because my work schedule has been cut back for this week due to the 4th of July, so we're not doing some of the classes that we normally would be. So basically, I'm going to have some more free time, which is going to be fantastic, so I can celebrate the 4th and do all those wonderful things, see people, and not just live in my own little tennis world. I just noticed I'm wearing a tennis shirt. See, this is what's happened. I've become consumed. Anyway, I'm actually very excited about life right now and where things are going. I will let you in on some of that in the next couple of days, but some good things are happening right now. That's all I'll say for now. But other than that, I hope you all have had a great week since I haven't seen you in a long time. Let me know what you've been up to, if anything interesting has happened in your life. And I will hopefully see you guys very soon. Bye!